How to fix emergency calls only Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix emergency calls only on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to fix emergency calls only problem on Android, it's actually quite very simple thing to do, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all check if you have not enabled flight mode, because sometimes enabling flight mode could also be the core issue. Make sure that you're in a place where your cellular network is working just fine, and make sure that you're receiving calls, because not only sending, but it could be due to that you're not receiving calls as well. Now after that, just check if your SIM card is active or not. Just try running some USSD codes and try to check the balance. For example, check if you have enough balance on your device that is allowing you to make calls, otherwise that will not allow you to make calls. You can also try to just go ahead and then restart your device in this case, and once you restart your device, that should also hopefully help you solve the problem. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.